So today I'm showcasing my G-Code Assaulters kit. Very nice kit, very durable. Has a Cobra buckle with the D-ring, 2 pistol pouches, 2 rifle pouches, and then these here you can actually double stack these pouches on top of here if you want more pistol pouches. The medical kit bag. Need to install my dump pouch, then I have my holster. These are very secure, they don't move much. There's webbing that they fit through right here. You just push through. There's the inside belt. And then these tabs were a little confusing at first, so that's why I'm making this video. They lock in place like this, and when they're not locked in, they look like this. But when you get your kit, you're gonna have to lift up this tab right here, this little skinny one, and then these tabs right here, you're gonna want to push in while you're lifting that tab and slide it down. And then once you've done that and you got your holster or mag pouch, where you want it, slide up and it's locked in, barely moves. You don't have to worry about your Scorpion taco shell flying out when you go to pull a magazine to reload.